morning. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm from class 9. So part of social activity, clothing. So today we are going to start with that. Clothing in the history. They give more preference for the clothing. They say the clothing is a art. So different types of clothes are available nowadays. But that days it will be like a dress code. So for the different people, they will be using the different things. Like in India, they'll be using the different saris, churidars. In the different state, they'll be wearing the different clothes. In the Europe, women use the frocks and that type of, and the men they use suit and shirts, etc. In India, they'll be using the pancha and V and etc. So here coming, in that days they'll be saying that the women should be dressing in this style and the children's, and they'll be particular in clothing. And here coming that here we can see the different types of clothes. Here different types of clothes. Here I said that the French people and the Americans will be using this type of dresses. And here you can see clearly the men and women are wearing different types of clothes, and children. And in the medieval time, the dress code will be for the women is a long frock, and the men is a suit, and even the British people, for the soldiers, they will be using metal thing when they fight, and even so many types of dress code. And they will be using the scarf-like thing which comes from here to here. Nowadays we will be using as a tie, but they will be using like a scarf and that. And in the French, in the medieval time, the French people using the small children are using the normal dresses, and nowadays we are preferring for the different, like even in India, there's so many different types of dresses are there, like pattu, gadwal, and that type of it will be coming from the silk, and even with the gold and silver also they'll be making dresses. Thank you.